Hi everyone, today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to install VMware tools in Windows 10. Simply guys, if you want to install a VMware tools in Windows 10, okay, first if you have a VMware workstation, go on the left pane and locate to your VM, Windows 10 VM, right click as you can see and select install VMware tools as you can see here. Okay, click here. Okay, wait a moment. Okay guys, after that click in this PC icon. Okay, here in the drive D, double click and install the VMware tools. Okay, as you can see, the VMware tools running. Click next. Okay, next, install. Installing VMware tools now. Okay, please wait while the setup wizard installs VMware tools. Okay guys, as you can see the resolution of this window. Okay, click finish, then restart your VM. Click yes, the VM restarting now. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.